Now let's move to the third parameter, which is known as lexical resource. LR. So this in simple words means vocabulary. And also spellings. So any spelling errors that you make, you lose marks for lexical resource. And vocabulary. Now when we talk about vocabulary, it can be actually understood in two ways. The first way is use of unusual words. Now what are unusual words, guys? Words that we generally don't use in our everyday conversation. For example, something that you can see or feel. So you will simply say see or feel. But instead of see or feel, you can use another word which is discern. Discern. These are sensory organs, that is a different thing. But you can say I feel this, means I can discern this. Instead of feel, you can replace it with discern. D-I-S-C-E-R-N. Right. Instead of saying that someone is foolish, we do not use the word preposterous. Right. If you have to use in everyday life, we do not use the word preposterous. Or someone who is not willing to spend money is known as a miser, but we have another word for it. You can call them pusillanimous. So for every common word that we use in our everyday conversations, there is a high sounding, high frequency word which is a synonym of it, which we can replace it with. We can replace simple words with a high sounding, synonyms of it, of the word. Second way of understanding is using or use of words pertinent to a topic of discussion. Pertinent to a topic. What is the meaning of this pertinent to a topic? When you have got a topic to write an essay on, you must understand what this topic is and then use words which are related to that topic. Let's say if you have got a topic related to, if you have got the topic of environment. Okay, so while you are writing about or talking about environment, what are the words that we can use? Words related to the topic of environment. We can use nature, waste. Then when we say waste, we can say biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste. Then we can talk about pollution. Now when we say pollution, land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, we can talk about greenhouse gases, right? Then we can talk about global warming. We can talk about climate change. Extinction of animals and plant species, right? Ecosystem, biosphere. These are the different words that we can use while you are discussing about the topic. So these are the words that are related to the topic environment. When you're talking about waste, when you use, if you're using the word plastic, let's say when you're discussing about, again you're discussing about non-biodegradable waste over here. So that you can talk about plastic. Then pollution, when you write air pollution or greenhouse gases, these are your vocabulary words.